Hey guys, Jessica with Cloud9 CBD. I wanted to show you another product that we have on our website, cloud9cbd.shop. These are Monq essential oil personal diffusers. So if you're an essential oil freak like me and you'd love to diffuse them in your house for health benefits, then you are going to love these pens. These pens are packed with different essential oils that are going to help you with different things. So we've got happy, we've got zen, we've got sleepy, we've got healthy. So each one of these has its own set of essential oils. Monq pens don't contain any CBD. They are just essential oils. These are personal diffusers for aromatherapy. So instead of diffusing them in your household, you get the benefits straight to your body by inhaling them. So this is how you use a Monq pen. At the tip, you're going to see kind of this crystal, and it's going to light up when you take a puff of your pen. You're going to take a puff, just like I did, and then inhale it and exhale it through your nose. You don't need more than 1 or 2 puffs at a time. After you've taken your 1 or 2 puffs, set your pen down and wait just a couple of minutes to start feeling the effects of the essential oils. These pens have about 200 puffs in them, so should last you about a month. They are disposable, so once you're done, throw it away and order yourself a new one. If you want to know more about our CBD products, go to our website, cloud9cbd.shop, and you'll get to see all of our products, our CBD oils, balms, bath bombs, vape products. All of these things work together to help you be the best you.